I absolutely loved Pamela Anderson's documentary, and it was so eye-opening to see just how brave and courageous she is, and also what an insightful and creative, beautiful being. She's just so cool. These are affirmations I created, taken from statements in her book and the documentary. So if Pamela Anderson was a meditation teacher, it might go something like this. You can repeat these affirmations out loud or in your mind. Here we go. Daydream while you're here. Have a real impact. I'm turning into the person I knew I would. My fridge is full of kale and greens. I am a free spirit. I am weird and whimsical. I am what I am. The unknown is a blessed place to be. I don't think about what happened yesterday. My dreams do come true. I never give up. I did it all on my own. I live in the present. I have to be strong and find a way through. I've always been authentic. I trust everything. I savor these precious moments. Nothing is impossible. I am eternally grateful. Thank you so much for joining me. Shout out to the beautiful Pamela Anderson, and I'm sending you all the love and light in the world. Take care.